What's up mga ka-KJ? This is your boy Kyo. We're back for another reaction video. So this time is actually a Tabi dance practice by Zonara. Yan, I'm looking forward for this girl group actually because you know it's 1Z Entertainment, and then the future is bright, and then I really can't wait, guys. So without further ado, intro muna tayo.
Welcome to my channel. Let's go.
So we're back. Yan. So after 3 to 5 years, I'm back again. Basically, we're reacting to Tabi, a dance practice by Zonara. And then hope you like my intro. It's work in progress anyway. So, and then I have my new workstation. I'm still like finding a way how to make it better. Anyway, so without further ado, guys, let's start in 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Parang malayo yung ano. So yung nakakap si ano, si Eureka. Stig. Wait guys, from the get-go, no, ang lakas ng dating talaga ng ano, ng choreo. Of course, shout out to J2X for the choreo, and of course, I think maybe there's a what I call it, addition, may mga dagdag din siguro sila, ano, Estel, no, at saka yung mga guys natin sila ng SB19. So anyway, from the get-go yun, nakaka-amaze kasi nga hindi siya bubble pop, no, hindi siya bubble pop na cute. I don't mean anything, but you know what I mean, that most of the pop group now is like catchy song and then catchy dance, you know what I mean. So this one is actually is like how to say, parang mga b-boys dati, yung mga malakas yung ano, correct me if I'm wrong, yung mga ano, yung mga dancer dyan, yung mga ano, ang tawag dyan, yung mga malakas yung dating na ano, sayawan. Simple lang yung transition nila pero malakas yung dating. Aura, we call it aura, not aura. So aura farming tayo, guys. So ngayon, ito si Nami. Ang ganda ng boots niya, no? Dominic. Simple lang yung mga ano, no? Simple lang yung ano, yung get up nila, pero ang lakas ng dating. Ito yung ano nila, oh. You can see my cursor, right? So basically, flashes nila. So sana magbenta sila. Lagi nila ako nauubusan anyway. Ayan. So who is Eureka? Ayan, si Dominic. Syempre Ella tayo, guys. Wait. Wow, yung nagpapakita ng balakang ngayon si Ella. Joke lang. Peace, sasawa ko. Anyway, bakit? May Pablo ka naman eh. Joke lang. Anyway, let's again continue. Ganda rin talaga ni Lane, no? Well, actually may nakita nga ako eh, parang anak daw ni ano, yung Sabini, si Aya. Joke lang. Sorry guys, may injury ako eh. Tabi-tabi. Yan guys, so I just can't believe na na debut pa lang nila to, no. Pero yung dance nila is polished already. So I noticed as well na etong room na to is ito yung pagmamayari ng 1Z, no. Actually sa SB19. So actually may nakalimutan ko na yung sasabihin ko. Anyway, let's continue guys. Ayaw pa taka. Wag ganun, wag ganun. Stig. Nakaka-good vibes yung no. Actually nung pinulit-ulit ko yun eh nung pinakinggan ko yung Tabi MB. Tapos of course, nag-download na rin ako. Yung part na yun kay Dominic na medyo naluluha ako, ewan kung bakit. Masyado lang ako emotional. Anyway, let's continue. Masyado malayo yung video. Yung position because maybe they make way of this plushie. Sorry guys, may monitor din kasi ako sa taas. This our time. Galing! Wala lang. Kailan kaya sila mag-world tour? Singapore please, Singapore! Wait! Yan, nice. Yan guys, that's my reaction to Znara's Tabi dance practice video. Wala na akong masabi. So basically, hands down, hopefully this is the start guys. So I'm proud as an 18. Actually I'm proud of them. And then of course, like there's no perfect girl group. This is their debut guys, so don't expect like 100% polished voices, dancing and whatsoever guys. They are not perfect. Nobody's perfect anyway. So we hope that they can improve more. They are really good at the moment, but hopefully they are going to improve on their part, whatever is lacking. So SB19 the last time is also not so, I cannot say it's not so good, but they have the room to improve. So they improve a lot actually when you look at their performance back then, but they have the grit, the will, and then sky's the limit guys. So hopefully the wheel of fire, like the Naruto, whoever Tito there that watching Naruto, the wheel of fire pass on to these young ladies, and then 18, the new 18s, the old 18s will support them as much as we could. I'm one of them. So basically guys, paalam. Hopefully you like my reaction, and then please give me some groups or whoever you wanted to you wanted me to react to. So and then we'll see you then. Bye.